Hey everyone, it's Hannah Musette here, and today I'm going to review a wig from Mychicwigs. So there construction of the wig is kind of different. It has about, I think, 6 combs. You have 3 in the front and 3 in the back instead of just the normal 3 in the front and 1 in the back. And then you have the adjustable straps there, like always. But guys, look at how natural this wig is. This is before I bleach it. This is before I tried to make the knots lighter, and it looks super natural. So this is what it looks like, untouched, unbleached, lace still on, and I'm so surprised at how natural these partings look. Like, it looks like a normal scalp. Everything that you need to know about this wig will be in the description box below, but right now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how natural this parting looks. It doesn't matter where you part the wig, it's still going to have that natural scalp look. Off camera, I went ahead and glued and cut the wig, and I did bleach the knots of this wig, and it kind of looks ashy in the front a little bit because of the foundation. I tried to blend the lace to my skin using a foundation, but it kind of made the hair look a little bit ashy in the front, so disregard that. But now, as you can see, I'm kind of running my fingers through the hair just to separate the curls. The hair is still damp, so I didn't want to brush it out at first because I didn't want it to look all poofy, and the best thing to do is like to separate the curls with my fingers. But you can see later that I do use a brush to separate most of the curls in the back since that was the dampest. One thing about this wig also, after all the brushing and fumbling with it, I haven't seen any terrible shedding of the wig. It's kind of normal, kind of less than normal, but with curly hair, I think it's normal to have a little bit of shedding than straight hair. So right now I'm going to put the hair back into a ponytail, and you can notice like I'm kind of being gentle with this because I just glued this on, and anybody knows that once you glue a wig on, it kind of takes a while for it to fully dry when you glue it, and I just didn't want the glue to come off, so I'm trying to show you guys the best I can that you can put this wig into any style that you really want, because it is a 360 wig. When I turn around, you're gonna see that you can see a little bit of my hair, the little curls in the back, and you see this little gap where it showed some beige of the wig. That's because this wig is a little bit too big for my head, but you'll especially see it whenever I flip my head down right here. You can see the part where the wig starts and where it stops, but that's easy to fix. Later in this video, you can see that I pull down some of the baby hairs in the back of the wig after I put it into a bun on top, just so that it kind of looks a little bit more natural and you can't really see the parting where the wig starts and ends and my hair starts and all that jazz. So for me, personal taste, I don't like doing baby hairs on most wigs. It just depends on what the baby hair looks like and what the wig looks like. But I think baby hair should only be done when needed, and I didn't think I needed baby hairs on this one. But you can see right here is when I'm trying to get the baby hairs from the back of the wig and make it look a little bit more natural so that you don't see the wig cap in the back, since it is a little bit too big for my head. But if I used the elastic band, it would have fit my head perfectly. Another thing about this wig, it's not too dense on my head. A lot of curly wigs like to drown me out, but this has the perfect amount of hair on it for me to be comfortable with it and actually confident wearing it, and that's what I really like about this wig. So if you're curious of where and what the wig is and all of the description of it, look into the description box below and you'll see everything that you need. But I will see you guys in my next video.